You can tell by the sullen faces they've gone through tremendous horrible traffic here today. So if in case you're sticking around at home, just watch the games on Studio 23 and spend your Saturday wisely with us, as we have 2 games today. Main event, we have National University, and they will be taking on Ateneo, if I'm not mistaken. So that's going to be a good one later on today. But in the meantime, UP unable to move forward here, as they've been stuck with 2 points for about 3-4 minutes now.
Well, if you look at UST now, they're very focused.
And again, UP is back where they were against Adamson. They can't seem to get a good reception. They can't seem to get
a good attack.
There's Arthur Oji Mamon enjoying the games here today. Head coach of UST, of course. Good serve from Caballero. And Chamzon finally halts that drought by UP.
And you know, here UST, you're coming from a 2-game losing streak. What you want is to win your next game convincingly. And you know, so far they've done a good job in really controlling the pace of the game.
And it seems like they can't afford, literally, they can't really afford to drop down 1 and 4 in the standings, you know, for a team so for a university that's so storied when it comes to volleyball, and a team that's very well stocked as well. It would be a shame for them to drop down 1 and 4 for sure.
But at this point, we're seeing some signs of life here from UP.
Well, they've racked up 3 straight points. They're within 5. Se has been a very solid server para sa UP.
Oh, look at that. Everyone now here on the side of UP, even Bersola.
And with this block on Banaticla, napatayo si Coach Mamon. Obviously, they gave away 4 straight points there. And UP now within 4. Better reception now. Good coverage on the floor by UP, and a tip by Bersola. Tipped right back by Ortiz. Chamson. Good save by Dusaran.
Oh, that's one.
Lantin with an error there.
And this is the thing, I mean, with UST. UST had such a big lead, but UP, because of the consistent serve here of Princess Se, was able to really pile on the points.
That's 5 straight points for UP now. Lantin sets it up. Back set. It's just long. Outside. Nothing going right. That was from Carmela Tunay. So, USD on a bit of a free fall here. Well, I wouldn't say bit. Malayo-layo na yung or malaki-laki na. Inaihabol ng UP dito. And again, another solid serve from Se. Banaticla ends all that with a great cross-court.
That's just what we need. But of course, if you're an opponent eyeing out UST, makikita mo meron din mga vulnerable moments here in this game, ano, because they just easily gave away those points to UP.
And in that sequence, andun mo mapapansin, ano, and even with this one, that UP really were able to get some great volleyball talent in the off-season, like Bersola. She's got height, she's got quickness, and she's got the skill that allows UP not just to be aggressive offensively, pero sa depensa rin, nakailang block din si Bersola kanina dun sa run ng UP.
That's right. Actually, the first time I saw Bersola play here in this season, I was saying masipag yung bata. You would really see her go after the attackers on the other side. But of course, still a lot of years ahead of her.
She's just a rookie. Itong si Catherine Bersola. She has a long way to go. And even the team as well. I mean, they've got some great talent in Chamzon as well, in Chiu. So you see the makings of a good team, a better team, in about 2 to 3 years.
That's right. This is how we used to see Ateneo, in fact.
Exactly.
4 or 5 years ago, we saw, you know, one whole team, all rookies, come in all at the same time. And look at them now. I mean, after
undefeated,
4 or 5 years. Right.
And the struggles were there. Talagang you could see there were ups and downs. There were games when they were so good. There were games where they were so bad. But once they've gotten that chemistry on, you can see now, I mean,
Very solid team.
solid as a rock. Speaking of solid, UP within 3 now.
Oh, look
Another
at
great
Bersola.
block. Bersola involved in that. Amazing.
Utilizing her height at the net. Look at this, very eager also to get that block.
And tinansya namin ni Doc Ian, parang 5'10"? We're thinking 5'10" to si Catherine Bersola, no?
Possibly, of course, one of the tallest here alongside with Se.
Lantin with the dump. They go to Lizelle Chu against a two-lady block. De Leon Lantin combining to reject Chu. And may kita mo rin dito, no, si Del Mundo really trying to distribute the ball and the offense all along the net. So, pero that time around, medyo nabasa ng UST kung saan papunta yung bola very early.
Well, Del Mundo has the right thing in mind because she knows that the blockers here of UST are quite strong. You cannot be that predictable.
Chu goes over the block, pero medyo malakas. She had the right idea because na-block na siya once ni Lantin and De Leon.
Oh, so we got information. Bersola is actually 5'11", so even taller than...
Tansya namin.
Oh.
Sabi ko na, mali yun eh. 5'11", and just a rookie. So she's just gonna grow physically and skill-wise throughout her years with UP. And what a drop by Chu. You can tell she's a smart player. I mean, she was blocked, and the last attack, she was too long. Ngayon, tinip over niya just above the blockers.
Now there is a substitution here. Del Rosario, of course, one of the serve specialists in Coach Jared's lineup.
After trailing by as much as 5 or 6 points, itong UP within 3 now, 12-15. Set number 1. With the left hand, Caballejo gets it through. Pero itong UP, si Chu tumira. Caballejo again. A free ball. Chu. Oh, nice angle for Chu. Beautiful.
She saw that, everybody actually went forward. And with a little bit help, actually, from the net.
Smart play by Lizelle Chu, playing in her 3rd year for UP. Nice serve from Del Rosario. Oh, good coverage on the floor by UP. Chu again through the block. Still alive though. Free ball again para sa UP. Let's see what they do. They go to Se. Se is too strong. Was there a check ball?
No check.
What a shot. Unfortunately for UP, that was long. 16-13, 3-point lead for UST. Kit Kat break. Get ready for what's next. Have a break. Have a Kit Kat.